Hey guys, so kasama ng dishwasher, washing machine. So hey guys, I'm Marga. It's my first vlog. Today, I'll be going to a nearby cafe kasi mag-grind ako ng school stuff. And I swear, I've been super demotivated. Like, I think this is what I need to like get back on track, you know? But before I go there, I just want to have like a quick meal. Kasi plano ko lang naman din, there's like mag-drink ng matcha. Hopefully meron. I don't really like coffee. Galakad lang din kasi ako. Malapit lang talaga. And there's no one in the house right now to make hatid sundo me. So, we're being independent today. OMG, so I just finished eating. Plano ko talaga was maglakad punta sa cafe. Pero dumating na yung driver namin. Kasi ihatid niya rin ang kapatid ko. So I think magpuntaan na lang ako on the way. My dad's here. Good timing. Daddy!
Taba pa siya. Bago siyang panganak.
I'm here na guys. I got a single shot hot mocha. Less lang matcha dito. They only have coffee, but that's okay. I wanna try something. Update, I've been here for over an hour. I'm almost done with my math notes. Look at this. I'm gonna do my math assignments and I have 3 backlogs dun. I haven't done a single assignment this quarter pa. So, I'm gonna pass them bukas. I have a little to do this here. Yeah, we got this. Focus update. Tapos na ako sa math notes ko. I'm currently doing 1 out of 3 math assignments. I low-key hope my math teacher never see this vlog. Try feeling famous. Very. Honestly, I don't think makauna pa rin ako this quarter. Hindi ko tentative grade ko kay 1.25 or 1.5. Pero since una ako last quarter, 1.25 ako most likely. Hindi na ako masyado mag-effort sa quiz and exam. I'll just put in enough effort para maka 1.25. Tapos next quarter na ako mag-try ulit para mauna. So like, it's raining and I hate the rain. Paano to? But anyways, and like second to the last problem is the first assignment ko. It's taking more time than I expected. Like, OMG, I didn't expect it to be this hard. I kind of overestimate myself. Alam ko, kaya ko lang to. Wala pang signal dito. At palobat na rin ako. Like, pag-smell na naglayo ganun. Oh my god. But I'm so proud of myself to nakasolo ko ng 2 problems na akala ko like mahirap, like super. Good job, Sam. Random thought ako. Sometimes, I wonder, ba't ako nag-math level 2? I mean, okay, sure, kaya gusto ko din mag-engineering course. Practical yun. Oh my God. Less than 20 kami sa math level 2, tas 4 lang kami yung babae. But you know, I'm proud of myself. Sa grade 11 and grade 12, nakuuna ako sa both first quarters. Pero mga both first quarters lang din. Feel ko talaga may curse ako. Kaya after na, kaya never lang ako makuuna ulit. Like, nung grade 11, kaya diba first quarter, nung second, third, and fourth, kaya 1.25 lang ako. Like, girl, I gotta up my game. This quarter though, medyo, babawi ako third and fourth quarter. Dapat mauna ko talaga ang math yun. Dapat final grade ko pag leave ko sa Pisay kay Uno. We got this. Natatapos lang ko ng isang math assignment. It's already 4:30. Oh my god, it took me 1 hour. My hard work. I'm done for the day. It's like 5:15. Nag-clean up ako ng stuff. So, malapit yung worker sa akin hanggang 5:30 nang pala sila dito. So, hintay ko na lang dad ko. So my dad's here to accomplish 3 things on my list so far. I was able to finish my math notes and I did 2 out of 3 math assignments. I'm gonna finish the whole to-do list at the house. I'm ending the vlog here. Bye.